Today we're checking out the Go Fast Bits VTA blow-off valve for the 2021 and newer Broncos. This is a blow-off valve upgrade for Bronco owners who want more turbo sound, better throttle response, and a more performance-focused feel from their Bronco setup. This is going to be for the Bronco owner who wants the turbo system to feel and sound more exciting without going into a full custom setup. The big thing here is the VTA design, which vents to atmosphere and gives you that aggressive blow-off sound when the turbo releases pressure. Go Fast Bits also designed this to combine that sound with their DV Plus performance benefits, so it's not just about the noise. It's built to improve boost handling, reliability, and throttle response, while the progressive opening design helps keep power delivery a lot smoother. If you want the Bronco to feel more responsive and give you that audible turbo personality, this is the kind of upgrade that makes a lot of sense for you. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting CNC machined billet aluminum components with a low profile integrated solenoid and compact underhood design. This CNC machined piston seat is going to help with that boost holding, while the compact design allows it to directly replace the factory electronic diverter or bypass valve. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $200 price range. That puts it above a basic sound-only part, but it makes sense for someone that wants a more complete blow-off valve upgrade with sound, boost control, and throttle response benefits built right into the piece. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in about 30 minutes of your time. The process is going to be a direct bolt-on swap where you remove the factory diverter valve and install the Go Fast Bits valve and coupler in its place. And then you're going to reconnect everything without having to modify or cut anything. That's going to wrap up my review of the Go Fast Bits VTA blow-off valve for the 2021 and newer Bronco. And for all things Bronco, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.